Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
The days of re-explaining yourself to ChatGPT are finally over. OpenAI has just upgraded its AI chatbot's memory, and it's now available to free users too, without requiring a subscription. That's right, folks. Even if you're not shelling out $20 a month for the premium tier, you can now access this feature that makes ChatGPT feel more personalized and tailored to your needs. So, how does it work? Well, OpenAI has adopted a strategy of releasing new features for paying subscribers first. But now, free users like us can benefit from a lightweight version of memory. This means ChatGPT can remember recent details, like our previous conversations, to make its answers feel more relevant and helpful. For instance, if you told ChatGPT that you wanted help learning Italian or dairy-free recipe ideas a while back, now it might recommend something like risotto alla Milanese with a plant-based twist. It'll even suggest providing the recipe in Italian to help you practice your language skills. That's the kind of personalized experience we've been waiting for from our AI chatbot. Now, here's where things get interesting. This lightweight memory isn't exactly the same as what paid users get with a subscription. The free version only remembers a few recent details, whereas the more comprehensive version has a long-term detailed memory that lasts for months, not just days. But don't worry if you want to control when ChatGPT remembers things. You can toggle off saved memories and chat history at any time, or use the temporary chat option, which essentially acts like an incognito mode that doesn't save anything. And if you're in Europe, be aware that this memory feature won't be enabled by default. You'll need to opt into it. This is a significant step forward for OpenAI's vision of making interacting with AI chatbots feel more natural and personalized. Remembering previous conversations is essential to any ongoing relationship between people. It helps us separate strangers from acquaintances, friends, or even enemies. So, what does this mean for you? It means ChatGPT is getting better at understanding your needs and preferences, and it's all available to free users now. And who knows? Maybe this feature will convince some of you to upgrade to the premium tier, where you'll get access to a more robust memory that lasts for months. And if you need help remembering how to sign up for ChatGPT Plus or another tier, don't worry, ChatGPT will be happy to remind you. After all, we're here to help make your life easier and more enjoyable with the power of AI. That's it for today's chat about OpenAI's upgraded memory feature for ChatGPT. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of generative AI. I'm Eric Hal Schwartz, and I'll see you in the next video.